National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, east central Ogle County in north central Illinois, northern DeKalb County in north central Illinois, northern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:47 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Crystal Lake to near Marengo to near Kirkland, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rolling Meadows, Valley View, Algonquin, Fairdale, Lily Lake, West Dundee, Genoa, South Elgin, Hunley, Inverness, South Barrington, Gilberts, Kirkland, DeKalb, Barrington Hills, Sleepy Hollow, Hoffman Estates, Barrington, Carpentersville, Elk Grove Village, Kingston, Malta, Campton Hills, Virgil, and Burlington. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 5:45 p.m. At 3:48 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 nautical miles west of Pleasant Prairie to 7 nautical miles southeast of McHenry to 6 nautical miles north of Elgin, moving southeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds and hail. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver Crib, Burnham Harbor, Hammond Marina, Wilmette Harbor, Jackson Park Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Belmont Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Marina Shores at Dune Harbor, and 59th Street Marina. A severe